Very good afternoon, dear students. Today we are discussing about multiplication of matrices. How to find the multiplication of two matrices. First of all, today we are discussing about what is the definition of multiplication of matrices. Observe in this definition, if A is a matrix of order M cross P means A is a order of the matrix is M cross P. So what is the order of the matrix A? A is the order of the matrix is M cross P. B is the order of the matrix is P cross M. Then AB is the order of the matrix is M cross M. Observing in these three, A is order of the matrix is M rows and P columns. M rows and P columns, and B is the order of the matrix is P cross N. P is P rows and N columns. P rows and N columns. Finally, we get product of A. We get the order of the matrix is M cross N means M rows and N columns. M rows and N columns. A is order of the matrix is M cross P. B is the order of the matrix is P cross N. Then product of AB is order of the matrix is M cross N. Whenever the product of AB is existed, number of rows, number of columns of A matrix, M rows and P columns. Number of columns of A matrix is equal to number of rows in the matrix of B. Both are equal. Product of AB is existed. Finally, we get the resulting matrix is M by N. Like the initial product, those two matrices. Number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix of B. Both are equal. So product will be existed. Whenever product is not existed, the number of columns is not equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. The product will be not existed. For example, capital A is equal to first row first column, first row second column, first row third column, second row first column, second row second column, second row third column. Taking A matrix and B matrix is first row first column, first row second column, second row first column, third row first column, like that. Observing here, how to find AB. How to find AB. Now, what is the order of the matrix A? How many rows is there? 2 rows. How many columns is there? 1, 2, 3. So, order of the matrix A is 2 by 3. Next, what is the order of the matrix B? How many rows is there? 3 rows. How many columns is there? Only 1 column. So now AB, then product of AB is what is the order of the matrix is M by N. Number of rows is number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Both are equal. We get the resulting matrix is 2 by 1. We get the resulting matrix is 2 by 1 means 2 rows. How many? 2 rows only 1 column. So how to product this means product with first row in the first matrix, first column in the second matrix means first row into first column. First row, first column. Next, first row, first column is over. Next, we are going to second row. Product with the second row in the first matrix into first column in the second matrix. So this is the second row. That's why second row into first column. So like that is the product. One more example. I am taking the elements. Capital A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 1, 5, 6, 7. Now A is the order of the matrix is 2 by 2. B is the order of the matrix is 2 by 2. So product is extra not check it. number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Both are equal. Product AB is existed. We get the resulting matrix 2 rows and 2 columns. Now substitute the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 6, 7. Now we get the 2 by 2 matrix or not? Order of the matrix is 2 by 2. First row product, first row in the first matrix, first column in the second. That's why 1 into 1 1 plus 2 into 6 1. So first row first column is over. This first row second column. So 1 into 5 5. After take symbol is plus. 2 into 7 is 14. So first row first column, first row second column is the next. We are going to second row. Product with the second row in the first matrix and first column in the second matrix. So 3 into 1 is 3 plus 4 6 are 24. Next second row second column. Second row take from first matrix, second column take from second matrix. 3 into 5 is 15 plus 4 into 7 is 20. So like that we should probably get the matrices 30, 90, 27, 40. Is a product of AB. This is the basic definition of multiplication of matrices. First of all, so how to check in product will be exist or not? Number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second. Both are equal. The product will be existed. The resulting matrix is M by N. The resulting matrix is M by N. Like that. That's why first of all I am taking A matrix and B matrix. A is the order of matrix is 2 by 2. B is the order of matrix is 2 by 2. Both product will be existed or not. Check it. Number of columns first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second. Both are equal. So product will be existed. So then AB will get the resulting matrix is M by M is 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 is product with the first row, first column. First row, second column. This is next second row, first column. Second row, second column. Finally, we get the product of AB matrix. Like that, we should product those two matrices. Now we are discussing about problems. So we are going to exercise 1.2 exercise. I think everyone understanding the basic concept of the multiplication of matrices. So next we are discussing about exercise question. So one last question. See the exercise 1.2 Roman number 1. So 1 marks questions. The first question is, if capital A is equal to 3124 and B is equal to -1 3 5 AB. Find matrix of AB. So very easy. You are understanding the concept of multiplication of matrices. Very easy. Find the AB. See here, solution given capital A is equal to 3124 and B is equal to -1 3. So AB. So how to find AB? First substitute A matrix and B matrix. 3124 and -1 3. So now write the order of the matrix A and B. Order of the matrix, how many rows, how many columns there? A is the order of the matrix is 2 by 2. B is the order of the matrix is 2 by 1. Now the product will be exist on the how to checking the number of columns in the A matrix. 2 is equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. Both are equal. We get the resulting matrix is 2 by 1. We get the resulting matrix is 2 by 1 means 2 rows 1 column. That's why I am taking 2 rows 1 column. Now how to product those means first row product with the first row in the A matrix, first column in the second matrix. Product with the first row in the A matrix, product with first column in the second. That's why 3 into minus 1, right? Each of step 3 into minus 1. After the text symbol is plus 1 into 3. So now product with horizontal element in first matrix into vertical elements in the second matrix. That's why 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus 1 into 3. Next, second row, first column 2 into minus 1. Take plus symbol 4 into 3. We get the element is 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus 1 into 3 is 3. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus 4 3 is 12. We get the final answer is 0. Okay. This is the product of AB is equal to 0. Okay. This is the required solution. Very easy. Product with the first row in the first matrix, first column in the second matrix. First row, first column is over. Next we are going to second row. Second row, first column. When the product with the second row, first column, the element we can write as second row, first column. This is the required solution. This one. Do you understand, dear students? Next we are going to second question. Discussing about second question. If capital A is equal to 1, 2, 0 minus 3, find A square. Someone doing A square is nothing but A given the element 1, 2, 0 minus 3, A square is there. So you are writing 1 square value 1, 2 square value is 4, 0 square value is 3, minus 3 whole square is, and don't write like this. A square is nothing but write as A square can be written as A into A. That time should apply the multiplication or don't do the square. Understand? So given A is equal to 1, 2, 0, minus 3. What is asking? Find A square. A square can be written as A into A. Don't do the square of the element in the A matrix. That is what correct. So A square can be written as A into A. So A matrix substitute 2 times 1, 2, 0, minus 3 into 1, 2, 0, minus 3. Now, so this order of the matrix is 2 by 2. This one also order of the matrix is 2 by 2. So product will be existed because of number of columns in the first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. Both are equal. We get the resultant matrix is 2 by 2. Now, product with the first row in the first matrix, first column in the second matrix. That's why observe here product is very easy. Taking first row in the first matrix, first column in the second matrix. That's why I am drawing the arrow mark, putting arrow marks here. Product with first row in the first matrix, product first column in the second matrix. First element into first element plus second element into second element. 1 into 1, 1. Or inside step by step 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 into 0. So now first row, first column is over. Next first row, second column. First row, second column, this is the position of the element. 1 into 2 plus 2 into minus 3. We get the resultant matrix is 2 by 2. 2 rows, 2 columns. What is the position of the element? What is the row? What is the column? This is the first row, first column. That's why product with the first row in the first matrix, first column in the second matrix. What is the position of the element here? First row, second column. That's why first row product with the first matrix, second column product with the second matrix. Now, what is the position of the element here? Which row? This is the second row. Which column? This is the first column. That's why product with the second row in the first matrix, first column in the second matrix. That's why product in 0 into 1 plus minus into 3, 0. Minus 3 into 0. What is the position of the element? Second row, second. That's why second row in the first matrix, second column in the second matrix. 0 into 2 plus minus 3 into minus 3. So we get the element is 1 into 1 1, 2 into anything value is 0, 1 into 2 plus into minus 6, 3 to the 6, 0 into anything value is 0, 0 into anything value is 0, 0 into anything value is 0, minus into minus plus 9 is equal to 1 minus 4 0 9. Finally we got a square is equal to 1 minus 4 0 9. This is the a square. Observing here 2 by 2 means 2 rows 2 columns. Position of the element, this one is first row first column. First row take from first matrix, first column take from second matrix. The first one is product. That is the condition for the product of two matrices. These are required solution. Next we are going to third one. Very easy. Don't confuse. These are very important for these matrices and determinants. Addition of the two matrices, subtract of two matrices, transfers of the matrices. That are very easy. But only multiplication method is very important. So next we are discussing about that question. If capital A is equal to 3 minus 1, 2 minus 4, find A square. So this one also, in before question like this one also we have to calculate A square. First of all, given A is equal to 3 minus 1, 2 minus 4. They are asking find A square. A square taken as A into A. Now substitute the matrices 3 minus 1, 2 minus 4 into, again you should write A matrix 3 minus 1, 2 minus 4. Now this is the another matrix is 2 by 2. This one also another matrix is 2 by 2. Both are equal. Product will be existed. We get the resulting matrix is 2 by 2 matrices. 2 by 2 means 2 rows, 2 columns. So understanding, I am drawing the line. What is the position here? Which row, which column? First row, first column. That's why first row take from first matrix, first column take from second matrix. Now we should the product. First row means first row, first column. 3 into 3, 9. After the text symbol is plus. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. First row, first column is over. Next, what is the position of the element here? Same row, first row, second column. That's why first row take from first matrix, second column take from second matrix. That's why 3 into minus 1. That value is 3 into minus 1. That value is minus 3. After that text symbol is plus. Whenever in product two matrices, each element product after that we take symbol is positive. That's why minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus minus 1 into minus 1 that value is plus 4. First row, first column this one. First row, second column is this one. So first row is completed. Next we are going to second row. Now what is the position of element here? Second row, first column. That's why product with second row from first matrix, first column product with the second matrix. 2 3 the 6. After that take positive symbol. Minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. Next second row, first column. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus minus 4 into minus 4 is plus 16. Finally we got A square is 9 minus 2 is 7. Minus 3 plus 4 that value is 1. 6 minus 8 that value is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 16 that value is 14. This is the A square matrix. So like this product. So 2 by 2 matrix we get first row, first column, first row, second column. Second row, first column, second row, second column. This is the process of product of A square. Next we are discussing about fourth one. See the fourth one. If capital A is equal to 3, 1, 2, 0, minus 1, 2, minus 4, 1, minus 3. And B is equal to 2, minus 1, 1. Find AB. So whatever given matrix element, don't fear. You know concept of multiplication of matrices, very easy to find. So write the solution. Given capital A is equal to 3, 1, 2, 0, minus 1, 2, minus 4, 1, minus 3. And B is equal to 2, minus 1, 1. So asking find AB. That's why I am taking AB. After that substitute A matrix and B will 3, 1, 2, 0, minus 1, 2, minus 4, 1, minus 3. So what is the order of matrix is 3 by 3. After that substitute B matrix is 2, minus 1, 1. This order of matrix is 3 by 1. So now number of columns in the A matrix is equal to number of rows in the B matrix, both are equal. So product will be existed. We get the resulting matrix is 3 by 1. We get the resulting matrix is 3 by 1. 3 rows, only 1 column. First one take from A matrix, product with the first column in the second matrix. That's why 3 into 2, 6. After that take symbol is positive. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. After that take symbol plus. 2 into 1 is 2. You understood? Product with the first row in the first matrix into first column in the second matrix. That's why here also 3 elements will be there, here also 3 elements will be there. Just each element product after you are taking plus symbol. 3 into 2, 6. After that take plus symbol plus. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. After that take plus. 2 into 1 is 2. So first row is over. Next we are going to second row in the first matrix. That's why second row, first one. This is the second row. So that's why 0 into anything we have 0 plus minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2. So second row also over. Next we are going to third row, first column. Third row product with our in the first matrix, first column in the second matrix. Minus 4 into 2, minus 8 plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 plus minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. Finally we got AB is equal to 3 rows and 1 column. Simplify this one. 6 minus 1 is plus 5. Plus 5 plus 2 that value is plus 7. 1 plus 2 that value is 3. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. This is the AB. So what is the order? This is 3 by 1. 3 rows, only 1 column. Like the addition product. Very easy for this one. Product of two matrices. You know concept of multiplication of matrices. Next we are discussing about fifth question. I think you are understanding product of two matrices concept. Do not understand, please contact me. I will explain it once again. So next we are discussing about in this exercise fifth question. If x, y is equal to 2, 3, 1, 0, 1, 0, find x and y values. Find x and y values. Find x value and y value. First of all, what are the given conditions we should write? Given x, y is equal to 2, 3, 1, 0, 1, 0. Observe here, left hand side only one matrix is there, so there is no simplification. Right hand side, product of two matrices there, that's why you have to simplify right hand side those two matrices. First of all, I am writing left hand side matrix as this x, y is equal to, so product of two matrices, first of all you should write order of the matrices. This one is 2 by 2, this one is 2 by 1 because of 2 rows 1 column. So both number of columns in the first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the second, both are equal. So product will be, we get finally 2 by 1 matrix. We get the resulting matrix is 2 by 1. Now means 2 rows, just only 1 column. So the product of those two matrices means first row product with the first matrix, first column product with the second matrix means 2 into means here 2 into 1, after that 3 into 0 like that is product. So first element into first element, after that second element is second element. Okay? So 2 into 1 2, after take a symbol 3 into 0 0. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 3 into 0 0. This first row is 1. Next we are going to second row. That's why I am writing second row first column. So 1 into 1 1 plus 0 into 0 0. So what is the order of the matrix? This one is 2 by 1. X y is equal to 2 plus 0 2, 1 plus 0 1. So now those two matrices are equal, corresponding elements are equal. First element is equal to first element, second element is equal to second. That's why x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So like that we can do. Very easy. Product with the first row in the first matrix, first column in the second. Suppose one more column will be there. First row first column right here, first row second column right here. But here only one column is there. That's why first row first column I am producting. Next row second row first column product I am writing in second row first column. This is a process for the product of two matrices. Left of the questions we will discussing about tomorrow class. Thank you all.